Hey, I'm Brian with the Brian Riley team at RE/MAX Select Realty, and I'm here today in Butler Township, Butler County, at this beautiful 3-year-old home in the neighborhood of Wyncrest Estates. So I helped this client purchase this home from the builder about 3 years ago. This is the Bristol 2 model. Right now the builder is just finishing up the remaining 2 or 3 lots in this development, and then that is it. You can buy this model in other neighborhoods around Pittsburgh. It goes for a little over $400,000 to start, which is significantly more than the asking price on this home. So this is an awesome opportunity for you to get an almost brand new home for less than what you can build one today. Here in the kitchen, we've got these granite countertops, these beautiful white cabinets. Of course, everything here is new, stainless steel appliances, upgraded lighting fixtures. Here on the second floor, we've got this great space. This was offered by the builder as either a loft or a 4th bedroom. In this case, it's a loft, so you've got a lot of flexibility with what you can do here. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and the laundry all on this floor. In the primary bedroom, you can see this is a huge space with an ensuite, full bathroom, and walk-in closet. It's a great space. You've got to check that out. That's 233 Wyncrest Drive here in Butler Township. Again, I'm Brian with the Brian Riley team at RE/MAX Select Realty. If you've had any thoughts of buying or selling in Butler or any of the surrounding areas, give my team and I a call today. Thank you for watching.